Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Christmas decor haul. And I know it is very early to be talking about Christmas. We are still in the month of October, but as we all know, these items go so fast. Everyone loves Christmas. Christmas items sell out faster, I think, than any other seasonal item. And last year I made the mistake of waiting for some of the really good pieces and I just wasn't able to get my hands on them. So I wanted to be a little bit ahead of the game this year and be able to get this video out for you so you can either save this video for later or you can purchase some of these items and just store them and save them for Christmas time. That way you're not missing out on some good deals or some items that you really wanted to get your hands on last year. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna talk about some of my favorites. I did also pick up some new items this year that I'm excited to share with you. So I have everything laid out in front of me. I'm so excited. Just looking at everything makes me so excited for Christmas time. And so yeah, I will try to have everything that I can find linked down below in the description box. And yeah, let's just jump right on into it. Okay, so we're gonna start with some ornaments for my Christmas tree. Last year I did pick up a few and I did pick up some this year. Last year we purchased a beautiful tree from Home Depot and I love it so much. I will insert a picture right here so you guys can see it. But it is very large and full and it was an investment, but I know we will keep it for many, many years. So I was really excited to decorate it last year. So I did go a little bit crazy and purchased quite a few ornaments. And then I also purchased some this year. So we'll start there. So a really popular item last year was the ever famous flocked ornaments. I feel like everyone went crazy over them. They were sold out at Hobby Lobby immediately. And I do love them so much. I ended up picking mine up from West Elm and I absolutely love them. They did bring them back this year, so I'm excited to share them with you again. It is this beautiful set of 12 flocked ornaments. And I think what really drew me to these is the assortment of colors. This is just like the perfect shade of nudes. I also love that they come on a gold little handle. They're beautifully flocked. They are not messy. They don't shed. They're really, really good quality. And I also love the size of them. So the ones that I have some from Hobby Lobby that I ended up picking up that were like the last of the last there. And you'll see that the sizing on those is definitely different. So I really like the size of these ones. They just fit on my tree perfectly. And yeah, I would definitely repurchase these and highly recommend them. Like I said, I picked up 2 boxes and they filled my tree out perfect. Also from West Elm last year, I picked up these beautiful wooden trees. I loved the rustic detail to these. These are so cute. They do come packaged, like you can purchase them individually, but I ended up picking up 3 boxes. I do have one more that's in like a lighter wood shade. I just don't know where it is and don't want to search for it right now, but I really love these ones a lot. They looked super cute incorporating these in my tree. An item that I bought last year that I am so in love with and I still love it so much are these beautiful icicle ornaments. I got these from mcgee&co and these are one of my favorite pieces that I have for my tree. The quality of these is so good. They have a good amount of weight to them. They just sparkle and shine so perfectly on your tree. They look very realistic. They come in a set of 3. And I ended up purchasing 3 boxes last year because I purchased 1 box and then I purchased 2 more because I loved them so much. My husband did break, I think 2 of these last year and I was devastated. So I told him that he is now responsible for buying me another box this year when they come out. But yes, I just love them so much. I highly recommend them. I know it's a little early in the season and I think Home Goods has something similar and you might be able to find these somewhere else, maybe Hobby Lobby, that looks similar, but these are just so good. From Amazon, I ended up picking up a package of these beautiful little rustic bells last year. And these ones are very distressed, very rustic. I just love them so much. I ended up tying this ribbon to them because I used mine as ornaments and they come in a pack of like 24, I believe. I got quite a few. But yeah, I just was really drawn to how rustic they look and they were very affordable. And these would also be really cute. You don't have to use them as ornaments. They come, you know, without the ribbon, so you can use them as bowl filler, which would be really cute. I did pick up another set of ornaments last year, and these ones are from World Market, and it's these beautiful antique looking balls. These are very, very large. They come in a pack of 4, and I just love like how distressed and that beautiful distressing, that antique look is just stunning. I also really love the antique little holder that it has. These were very affordable, and I feel like they look so much more expensive than they were, and they did bring these back again this year. Okay, moving on to some ornaments that I purchased this year. The first one are these little nutcrackers, and I got these from the new mcgee&co holiday collection she just came out with. I think these are so cute. I love them. They come in a pack of 3, and they are all doing something. Let me hold them so you guys can see. But they are all doing something different. I just think they're so cute. I don't have any nutcrackers in my collection, and I love them so much. And these were actually pretty affordable. Again, it's pretty early in the season. I feel like this is something that you might be able to find at HomeGoods or TJ Maxx, but I thought it was well worth purchasing these because they're just super cute, and I ended up getting 2 packs of them, so I have 6 of them total. All right, and then for the last set of ornaments, I got these beautiful oranges. These are also from the mcgee&co holiday collection this year. I thought these were just so cute. I don't have anything like these, and I think these will just be a nice pop of color on my tree. I like that they have that, like, you know, they just give off kind of like a more rustic look, more traditional look, I should say. And these are pretty affordable for mcgee&co. You do get a box of 12. So these will definitely, 1 box will cover my entire tree. So really like these. Another item that I did buy for my tree that I have not received yet is this beautiful gold beaded garland from World Market. I will insert a picture right here because I have not got mine yet, but I did order 2 of them. I tried to pick these up last year and they sold out pretty quickly, so I'm happy that I got my hands on them this year. And I think this is just such a simple, beautiful way to incorporate some gold into your tree, and they were obviously very affordable. I do think they will sell out again, so if you're interested, just try to pick them up while you can. Okay, next we're gonna move on to some mini Christmas trees. These are one of those items that I'm just very drawn to. I don't know, if I see one that I love, I pick it up. And so I actually wrote a note for myself: do not purchase any more Christmas trees. I talked about this in my last decor haul with Christmas last year, and it's just become such a problem. I don't know why, I love them so much. So with that said, I have obviously built up quite a collection. So I'm gonna be sharing some of my favorites with you today. The first one is this beautiful tree right here. I got this from Target last year. I just love the look of this one. It's just, to me, it looks very realistic. I love the shade of green, and the leaves are just nice and sparse, and I just think it's so pretty. It's different than most of the ones that you see. And again, it comes in this cute little pot, but I ended up putting mine in my own pot, and once you do that, it just like really elevates it and just makes it look so beautiful. So this is one of my absolute favorite ones. All right, the next one is from this year, and it is very large, so I will do my best to show you on camera. But it is this beautiful mini tree, and this one is from Afloral. It's stunning, you guys. It's so beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I love the shade of green. It's very good quality. It's very full. This is exactly what it looked like packaged. I have not done anything to it. I have not spread the leaves out or done anything. So once I do that, I feel like it's gonna look even better. But this one is definitely my favorite one so far in my collection. It is stunning. It just comes in a standard pot, but again, I will transfer this to one of my pots that I have, and I think it's just gonna be so beautiful. So highly recommend this one. I'm very excited to style this one for Christmas. Another item that I picked up last year that I loved so much is these cute little mini wreaths, and I got these from Hobby Lobby. These are really affordable. I love the look of them. I think they look very realistic. I like that they're nice and sparse. The color of the green on them is really good, and they have these little mini pine cones, which is super cute. Just really affordable. I love decor like this. You can use it all over your house. I styled mine on the back of my chairs in my dining area, and it looked so cute. These would also look really cute on a window, but I know Hobby Lobby brings these back every year. So if you see them, just check them out and yeah, pick them up if you like them because they're really good for the price. Okay, moving on to garland. Last year I did pick up the Norfolk pine garland that is like everyone goes crazy over. And I got mine from Kirkland's. That again will sell out immediately. So I will have that listed down below. It is still up in storage. I did not bring it out to share it with you guys, but I will have it listed down below if you're interested because it is currently in stock. And like I said, that one will definitely sell out. I do like it and I do like the look of it, but it wasn't my favorite to work with. If I'm being totally honest, I felt like it was really hard to get it to look good. So I wanted to invest in, or I wanted to purchase some different garland this year. And I got this one right here. This is from Walmart. And let me tell you, this one to me is so much better than the one that I got from Kirkland's last year. I'm just like much more into the fuller look. I feel like the Norfolk pine garland is very like stringy almost looking. I don't know how to explain it. It just, when you're laying it out on your table, it just looks very kind of bare and open. So I wanted something that was a little more full looking and I love this one. So again, this is from Walmart. Moving over to some candles. Last year, I did pick up a pack of flameless candles from Amazon. It is this set of 3 right here. And I really liked these ones. They look very realistic. They have a little bit of texture on them. I like that they're in like an ivory color. So yeah, I just used these all over last year. I really loved them a lot. They lasted me all year. I didn't have to refill my batteries. And it just kind of takes the stress out of having to worry about, you know, blowing your candles out or having them melt down or anything like that. So these I really loved. They're really good quality. These next candles were very popular. They did sell out and mine were back ordered last year. So I had to wait a while to get them. They did bring them back this year. And it is these really cute Christmas tree taper candles. I got mine from Amazon. It came in a pack of 2. I do think that they sell these at other places now because they were so popular last year, but they're so cute. I obviously didn't burn mine last year. I wanted to keep them again for this year, but these are such a nice little touch. I really loved styling these. These next ones are from Target and they are just your standard taper candle, but they're in this beautiful dark burgundy color. I love this color. I think this is so beautiful. It looks just very moody and yeah, I picked up a similar set last year from Target and then I got a new one this year so I can just use them again all season. Again, simple, but just such a beautiful pop of color for Christmas. Last but not least, these are not really like a seasonal candle, but I do love them, so I wanna share them with you, and I just recently got them. It's these beautiful skinny taper candles. And these are just so cool. So I don't have anything like this in my collection right now. And I have mine in the ivory color. I just love them. I think they're so unique. I've already styled them in some new candle holders that I got and I love the look of them. I will definitely be using these for the holiday season. So yeah, I got them from World Market. They were not expensive. They were $7.99 for a whole pack. And they do actually come in a nice green color that would be really beautiful for the holiday season as well. So I'll have both of them listed down below, but I just thought these were so cool. I wanted to share them with you guys. And then this last candle is a standard candle, but I got this from Target and it's from the brand Sweetwater Decor. And I just love it. I think it's so pretty. Again, this is not like a seasonal candle, but to me, this will look really beautiful during the holiday season. I love the ribbing. It definitely has a little bit of shine to it. It's just such a beautiful candle. It's a perfect size. It is a 1-wick candle. And like I said, I got it at Target and I haven't burned it because I've been waiting for like the holiday season to come around, but it's just so pretty. Okay, another item that was really popular last year and the year before, and it's gonna be popular again this year, is the reindeer over at Pottery Barn. And I was able to pick up the small and the medium last year. I was not able to get the large, but I did purchase the large this year. They are just so cute. Like, I know that these are an investment. They're definitely on the pricier end, but I love mine. They were one of my favorite pieces to style last year. They're just so timeless. You'll never get tired of this look. They're really good quality. I do know that Walmart came out with something almost identical. It's like an amazing dupe for these. I have not been able to find that at my Walmart, and it is sold out completely online. So if you guys get lucky and you can find it at your Walmart, obviously pick that one up. It's a lot less expensive. But if not, all 3 of these are in stock currently, and these will definitely sell out. So if you've had your eye on them, I would pick them up while you can because they are so cute. Typically for holiday like art pieces, I just go to Etsy and get some prints that I really like that are unique to my style, print them out and put them in some existing frames that I already have. It's a very inexpensive way to get some beautiful art in your home. But every now and again, I do like to purchase some artwork just to kind of mix it up a little bit. And I did pick up a piece this year from mcgee&co's holiday collection. It's this beautiful little Christmas tree art, and I really love it. It's very simple, but I just love the look of it. It comes in this really nice black frame. It does have some weight to it. I feel like it looks way more expensive than it is. It was not that expensive compared to a lot of the artwork on her site that's for like hundreds of dollars. I'm gonna style this one in my kitchen. I just think it's the perfect size. It has a little saying at the bottom, and I just love like the off-white and cream coloring to the outline of the frame. It's just super cute and simple, and I'm excited that I got this one. Last item are some stockings, and the ones that I have I got last year from Target, but I just want to share them with you because I really loved mine, and most of my stockings that I have are from Target, so you don't have to spend a ton of money on stockings to get something really cute that looks really good. So the 2 that I loved last year the most is this cream one, and I also got this beautiful taupe one. They're both in like a knitted material. They both have these cute little tassel details. And just based on last year, this one was $14.99. I don't know the price of this one, but I know that they will be bringing out some similar versions to these this year. So just keep your eye out. Don't go spend a ton of money on this kind of stuff because these are very thick, very good quality, and I just love them so much. Okay, so that is a wrap on today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. I always appreciate any support that you guys send my way, and I will see you in my next video.